James, quick. Hey, oh, he just looked.
Damn, I missed it. Oh, he's still doing it. Oh, is this cruelty?
James, can he breathe? Yoda.
He's got oxygen for 20 minutes.
Does it have a hole in the end? Hi, Yoda. Get the noodles.
Space dog.
Yoda. Yoda, come. Yoda, come.
Yoda, did you get the noodle? Did you get the noodle?
I think he's mad.
I think he's pissed. I would be. You bastards tricked me.
Yoda, get the noodle. Get the noodle.
Come on, space dog.
Oh, it's really stuck.
Is it really?
Bonk.
That was great. What do you think, Yoda?
Yoda, get the noodle. Yoda.
I don't think he's gonna fall for that again.
He's gonna do it again.
Is he that dumb?